Hi there, guys! Welcome back to Tech Product. Have you ever noticed that even though TVs are getting thinner and the pictures are getting better, the built-in speakers are usually getting worse? Getting the best soundbar for smart TV is the easiest way to turn your living room into a real cinema. Let's get started. Up next is the Assistrust KY8000 soundbar for smart TV. This device was created to transform your everyday watching into a truly immersive home entertainment experience. One of the first things you are going to notice about the Assistrus KY8000 soundbar for Smart TV is the advanced volume boost feature. We have all been there, trying to watch a movie late at night where the characters are whispering so quietly you can barely hear them, and then a giant explosion happens that wakes up the whole neighborhood. This volume boost helps to enhance those faint sounds, bringing out all the subtle details in the background. It makes your listening experience feel much more dynamic because you can actually hear everything clearly without constantly fiddling with the remote. Something that really makes the Asus KY800 soundbar for smart TV stand out is its incredible flexibility when it comes to placement. Most soundbars are just designed to sit flat on a shelf, but this one gives you options. You can place it horizontally for a traditional balanced look and clear sound. If you have a unique room layout or a narrow stand, you can actually set it up vertically to get a different kind of room-filling output. You can also just keep it on a tabletop for direct sound, or use the wall mount feature to save space and get that sleek, cinematic effect. It is really nice to have a product that adapts to your environment, rather than forcing you to change your whole living room setup just to fit a new speaker. When it comes to the actual hardware, the Assistrus KY8000 soundbar for Smart TV is powered by 4 high-performance drivers. These drivers work together to deliver up to 80 watts of output. Now, 80 watts is plenty of power to fill a medium to large room with rich and detailed sound. You are going to hear the difference immediately, whether you are listening to quiet dialogue, soft musical notes, or deep bass during an intense action scene. This high level of power adds a lot of depth and presence to every moment, making your movies, music, and gaming sessions feel much more lifelike. It creates an audio atmosphere that actually pulls you into whatever you are watching. To help you get the most out of that power, the Asus Trust KY8000 soundbar for Smart TV includes 3 customizable equalizer modes. These are basically preset sound profiles that allow you to tailor the audio based on what you are doing. For example, Movie Mode is designed to enhance the cinematic depth and surround effects, making you feel like you are right in the middle of the action. If you switch over to Music Mode, the soundbar highlights the rhythm and the tonal richness of your favorite tracks. Then there is News Mode, which is a lifesaver for talk shows or documentaries because it focuses on making dialogue sound natural and crystal clear. These modes make sure the audio stays balanced and optimized no matter what type of content you enjoy. Plus, the way the speakers are designed, the sound is distributed evenly throughout the room, so everyone gets the same great experience. Connectivity is another area where Asus made things very simple and versatile. The KY8000 supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is great for wireless streaming from your phone or tablet. You can just walk into the room, connect your device, and start playing your favorite playlist without any messy cables. For your wired connections, you have ARC, optical, and AUX inputs. If you use the ARC mode, it makes your life so much easier because you can actually control the soundbar volume directly using your existing TV remote. This means you do not have to keep track of 2 different remotes just to watch a show, which simplifies everything. Setting it up is also very straightforward since it comes with clear instructions and even some helpful video guides to walk you through the process. Finally, it is great to see that the Asus Trust KY8000 soundbar for Smart TV is built with the user in mind even after the purchase. It is backed by a very reliable after-sale service, which includes an 18-month warranty. They also provide continuous technical support and a hassle-free replacement policy if anything goes wrong. It is always a relief to know that a company stands behind their product. When you combine the strong audio performance, the flexible placement, and the easy connectivity, you get a practical and high-quality upgrade for any home audio setup. It really makes every movie night feel a little bit more special. It is time to stop settling for those tiny TV speakers and start enjoying your movies the way they were meant to be heard. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals on this soundbar. Like and subscribe to Tech Products so you can stay up to date with all the best home theater gear we talk about. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.